Today's gold chest video is going to include these maps here, starting with Muros Media Park. The first chest here is going to be on the left side of the map in this orange and red house. You're just going to investigate the door block and the chest will be behind it. And right next to there is the exploration gold chest. And you're just going to investigate this blue pipe here and it'll teleport you underwater to where the chest will be. The third one is going to be more in the center of the map towards this stage area. There's going to be a platform at the top right that the chest will just sit on. And then right above there where the river starts, there's going to be a gold chest in the archway. You're just going to investigate a block to the right and walk down the path, investigate another block, and you can get into where the chest will be. Then again, right above there is the final chest for this map in this blue roofed house. You're going to investigate the door block and it'll teleport you upstairs to where the chest will be. And that'll finish your trophy for this map and we'll move on to our next one. Majore Lake Park is going to be the second map for today. The first chest is underwater at the end of the waterfall, and to get there you're just going to go past these ladders here where the fence is. And right above there is going to be the next chest. It's hidden in a square underneath this bridge. And right above the resting spot is this little archway structure. You're going to go in from the right side and the next chest will be there. Then right above there in this little lake area is going to be the next chest. And to get there, you're just going to go in between these house structures and just walk right in there. The final chest for this map is going to be to the left of Blake towards the top of the map, and it's hidden behind some trees. And that finishes that trophy, so let's move on to our next map. Fellowstone Construction is our next map, and there's only two chests here, the first one being at the bottom of this elevator. And the other one, you're just going to fly towards the top of the map, and it's going to be hidden behind some columns here. There's only two chests for Shadow Gate as well, starting in the center of the map. The chest will be hidden on the backside of this platform, right underneath the grating where the elevator will first take you down. And the other one is just at the beginning of that little elevator area, behind this tree here. Like the previous maps, there's only two chests for Neuron DNA as well. The first one is going to be towards the top of the map to the right of this TV screen inside this opening in the column. And the next one is right below the Fellowstone construction portal. You're just going to clear away all these boxes and the chest will be right behind those. Mounthill has a few more chests than the last maps. The first one is going to be behind this waterfall towards the right of the map, and you're just going to simply walk behind it. The next one, if you follow the road going down, is going to be in this little hidden square. There will be a box you'll have to clear away. After that, you're going to go right below the Revoldic Dam portal and clear away all these wood blocks, and the chest will be on the platform there. And after that, you'll just fly over to this waterfall where the next chest will be, again clearing away some boxes and going through the pathway to the chest. And after that, again, another chest behind some water. This is right above where the last one was. You're just going to fly right in through this opening into this roadway. And then to the very left of that, there's going to be an open square hidden in the terrain where the next chest will spawn. The next chest is also going to be underwater. It's going to be towards the top, And to get there, again, you're going to have to clear away a block. The last two are going to be above there. The first one is right next to the resting spot where the elevators are in an open square in the terrain. And the very last one is going to be at the top of this building structure, hidden on the wall. And that will finish your trophy for Mounthill, and we'll move on to our next map. The first chest for Goldus Pharmaceuticals is going to be at the very top on this tree here, right out in the open. The other one for this map is below there, and it will be in one of these glass houses hidden amongst the trees. Again, only two chests for Ludi Crater here. The first one is right next to the Middleton portal, hidden behind a tree. And the next one is going to be on this huge block structure in the middle of the map, and it's going to be in the upper open square on the front side. We will move on to our very last map for today. The first one in Revoldic Dam is going to be right out in the open where the poison water meets the clear water. The next one is just to the right of there, hidden behind a tree in an open square. The third one for this map is going to be, if you played the Thanksgiving event, it's going to be where the turkey spawned. It's in these little archways here. And the next one is on the other side of the map, and it's going to be behind this blue tree here. The very last one for Revoldic Dam and for today's video is at the very bottom, right underneath the Goldus Pharmaceuticals portal. Just clear away the rock blocks and the chest will be right behind them. And that finishes out our video for today. Make sure to check out the previous videos in the playlist to get some more trophies done. And stay tuned for more because I will be uploading all the other maps included in Maplestory. Thank you so much for joining me for today's video, and I will see you in the next one for some more fun.